Hi, Phil here from Ethereal Pro to show you our MHX and MHY-LUHDME series. The latest HDMI 2.1a specification sets a performance goal of 48 gigabytes per second, a challenging target to achieve. However, the new Ethereal MHX Ultra Flex 48 gigabytes per second HDMI cables surpasses this goal with a design that hasn't been in development for years. The Ethereal team used advanced metallurgy and cable topology technology to meet and exceed the requirements of the latest sources and gaming devices without the need for added booster electronics. This innovative design results in an easy-to-install cable that is perfect for tight spaces, TV mounts, and equipment racks, delivering a superior 48 gigabytes per second AV experience. Say goodbye to clunky black boxes and upgrade to the future of AV technology with the MHX and MHY 48 gigabyte per second HDMI cable. For more information, visit etherealpro.com or call your sales representative. And this is how Ethereal connects to you.